Get acquainted with the 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5. This uniquely designed Hyundai Ioniq 5 is poised to transport you into a clean, bright future. Enter its stylish, spacious interior and discover the comfortable, convenient, and connected features it has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Get the connectivity and comfort you deserve in this remarkable Ioniq 5. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.